Today we're going to show you how to take apart and put back together an English bridle.
This is a normal English Kevson flash bridle. Firstly, our bridle is done up for hanging up and storage purposes, so you have to undo the throat lash to start with. Next, you undo these buckles down here which hold your bit onto the bridle.
Make sure someone has their hand in the middle to catch it so it doesn't break on, like drop on the floor and cause damage.
Next off, you take your cheek pieces off, but remember what hole they come out of.
These ones are on the top hole.
Next off, you take your noseband off and note down what hole it comes out of.
This one's down from the top.
Slide it through this side of the brow band first. And then just slide it out. So now we have a noseband.
Then for your brow band you just slide it out, but make sure it's the shorter side first.
Otherwise, if you do it the other way, the buckle of the throat lash gets stuck.
And then you just bring this side over off the shorter side, and then you have your noseband. And then you just have your headpiece. So now we're going to show you how to put it back together again.
First of all, take your headpiece and your brow band and feed your headpiece through your brow band. Starting, flip your brow band upside down. Feed the short ends through this side of the brow band, and pull it right round till it hits the other side.
And then you just feed this bit through here. Make sure your things don't get all twisted and stuff, because it might be uncomfortable for the horse.
Next up, you put the noseband back through. You start at this on the right hand side of the bridle again.
Just feed it through and over, and then through here. And remember what hole you put it on. And the third from the top.
And remember to feed it through all the keepers on it.
Yep.
And then just straighten it out. Next up, you put your cheek pieces on, but put them on the holes that they came off of. This bridle had them in the top hole.
Make sure you put them through all the keepers again.
Finally, we have to put the bit back on.
Make sure your bit's the right way round, or it can cut their mouth and not be very comfy for them.
And heat again, make sure it goes through all the keepers. And this is a personal choice of opinion. For the keepers that hold your cheek pieces in, you push them up and then just pull them down till they hit your bit. Make sure your noseband sits on the inside of your bridle. Pull your brow band down to hit the buckles. Straighten out your noseband.
And then for the hanging up,
all you do is cross it round the back so it makes a figure of 8 and do up the throat lash.
And that's how you take apart and then put back together again your bridle.
Thank you.
Subscribe.